Lot 348 is the 2002 Acura NSX-T that is a one-of-one example as the only 2002 finished in factory Imola Orange Pearl with factory orange leather interior and an automatic transmission. This is one of a mere 49 examples finished in a desirable factory color of Imola Orange Pearl over a 15-year production run. And if you've ever wanted an NSX-T, this is the one to buy, and it's the time to buy now as they continue to go up every day.
This car is only going one direction, ladies and gentlemen, all the way up. And this is a unicorn. Unbelievable car. Unbelievable.
Man, the room is already going wild over this one. But this Imola Pearl orange paint, I wish you could see it in person if you're watching online right now, because it really is something.
Speaking of saying things fast, say Imola Orange 5 times fast. No, yeah, right now we're in a 2002 Acura NSX. And as Brady on the block there said, this is a one-of-one example because they only made 49 in this color, but only one with this interior color combination of also orange and the automatic transmission. And before you get too disappointed about the automatic, I've driven this car. It's fine. You're not lacking for anything here. And in some cases, it actually might increase drivability if you live in a place with a lot of traffic.
It would for me. It would certainly increase drivability.
It would make it possible for you to drive. Now, the automatic does mean you got these smaller 3-liter V6, but again, there's still plenty of power on tap. These things are perfectly balanced, and again, they have racing history in development with Ayrton Senna helping develop the original car. But this refresh version gives you non-pop-up headlights, which I kind of like. And these wheels, everything about this car just pops. And, well, I've never seen another one in this color, and I probably won't ever again. So that's the kind of cool offerings we have right here at Cruise Auctions.
Let's see how it does.
1,000 going to be 160, 160, 1,000 going to be 160, 100 going to get internet. You are not in, just to be clear. 160 is on the floor. 161 you have to be. Unbelievable. 160, 161 car is in the market and selling today, ladies and gentlemen. Now's your chance to buy a unicorn NSX. 161,000, 162,000, 161, 162 is all. Now to get you 161, 162, and I have